So Jamaica's Sunshine Girls, following their series victory over England, welcome South Africa into the Lions' Den at the National Indoor Sports Centre. And of course, if there is one Jamaican national team that deserves the full support, it's these Sunshine Girls. Consistently, our highest-ranked national team, a team that now comprises several world-class players who play in the top netball leagues around the world. And just like they fed off the energy and the support that helped them across the line against England, they fully deserve at least the same level of support for the South Africa series. Even if we think South Africa is not as good as England, the Sunshine Girls will not be playing ease up, and the fans should not play ease up either. One thing with the Maverick, we beat who forget beat, and commensurately, we big up who forget big up. So big up to the Sunshine Girls.